Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie Titi for those of you who don't know me, and for those of you who do, thank you for joining another wig review. Before we get into the wig that I will be reviewing today, let's go ahead and talk about our sponsors. Thank you Dossier for sponsoring this wig review. Dossier was kind enough to send me 2 more scents to review for my audience. And before we get into the scents that I was sent over, let's go ahead and talk about some more about Dossier. Dossier believes that designer scents should be offered to everyone without the quality markups. The fair alternative to luxury perfume. That's what Dossier stands for. Dossier gives an inspiration of the different scents. Some of them I think are the exact dupe. Well, I don't know if you'd call it a dupe if it smells exactly the same to the original. They offer the scents without the price tag. So the scents starts at $29, and since they believe that everyone should smell like luxury, they also offer some coupon codes to get that price down even further. Dossier sent me over these 2 scents, Garment White Flowers and Oriental Oak Moss. Garment White Flowers is the flower bomb, and the Oriental Oak Moss is the Coco Mademoiselle. I do have the original to this one, and it does smell exactly like the original. This one I don't have, but if the original smells anything like this, honey, this smells so good. This is a conversation starter, a compliment giver, just a head turner if you're wearing this one. And this one is the one that's Coco Mademoiselle. I love this scent so much. So now that we've got the sponsors out of the way, go ahead and stay tuned and watch me, you know, do my thing with this wig review. So let's go. Watch me install the wig. Let's go ahead and talk about some specs about the unit. So the unit that I'll be reviewing today is by Outre in their Wigpop collection in the style Letoya. I have Letoya in the color HT1B Burgundy. Letoya is heat safe up to 400 degrees. Letoya is a great value, has a range of different colors, it's ready to go, and heat styling friendly. Like I've already said, Letoya is a great wig if you want to experiment with, before you want to experiment with cutting your hair off, you just want to see what it looks like on you. I think Letoya does that for me. So I went ahead and styled my beret because I didn't have nothing better to do. But from the styling, you see there was nothing to it. You put Letoya on, you curl it how you want to, and boom, you're ready to go. Letoya is a quick 5-minute install, literally. What would I be rating Letoya? I'll give Letoya a 10 because there's nothing wrong with Letoya. Like, she's a great unit. She's an easy unit. No lace to cut off. There's nothing to lay down. Letoya is just ready in 5 minutes and we're ready to go. Leave me a comment down below if you enjoyed how I styled Letoya with my beret and my fake collar. Don't talk about me. Okay, yeah, leave me a comment down below if you like how I styled Letoya, the final version of Letoya, because she does look a bit different from what is on the stock card. This is a stock card. This is Letoya TTT version. Yeah. So if you got the end of the video, you're the real MVP. Don't forget to go ahead and like the video, comment on the video, share the video. If you know somebody that's new to wigs and want a new wig to try on to see how they do with the wig, this would be a perfect for them. Go ahead and share that video with them. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next wig. Bye.